about a year since I last posted, so I figured I would do a quick little life update. If you'd like to skip that, I'll put a timestamp somewhere on the screen. So in the past year, I've basically just been working since I graduated, and I've had after post-grad burnout, and I've been working through that and just working on my shop, and my shop's been really busy, which is nice, but I still miss posting on YouTube and making content for you guys. And after all of that, me and my boyfriend moved out and we got a puppy, so it's been pretty busy, but right now everything's settled down enough where I can start posting videos, and I'm really excited to. So if you guys have any suggestions or anything, then let me know. Okay, let's get into the video. Cut out all your pieces either using the free pattern or a pattern drafting tutorial that I'll link, and then you're gonna pin together the 2 ruffle pieces and sew those down. Then you're gonna pin the front and back panel and sew along the right hand side. So I actually forgot to include sewing in the zipper, but I'll link a tutorial on how to do that, so just do that in the other seam. And then I'm going to pin the facing to the lining, do it on the front and back, and just sew it on. Now I'm going to sew the lining pieces together, but along the left hand side, so not what I'm showing in the clip, do the opposite of what I did. And then I'm going to pin the front and back panels to the lining along the facing, right sides together. Now I'm going to hem the skirt ruffle. So I pinned on the skirt ruffle. Just follow visually what I did. Basically the flatter part goes in about three quarters of the way into the front of the skirt. Now I'm going to pull the skirt all the way through until we get to the ruffle seam line and sew on the ribbon. You're going to pivot, sew the edges of the ribbon down, and then pivot again and finish the opposite edge of the ribbon. Then you're going to sew the ribbon down and tie the bow up all cute, and you're done. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming soon. Bye.
Do everything I like on the radio, dancing in the night, flowers in my hair, roses on the vine. You can be my guy, I'm your baby, right? My apple of my eye, look